guys, Andrew here. I just want to let you guys know how to create a template for Instagram stories. And every day people ask me about how to put an image in the background and put in the file and the post you are resharing in front of it. So I will show you guys how to do that right now. Okay, so first thing you have to I know that there are many different apps to create this. I'm showing you how to do that in Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, right? So the first thing that I did was to create a file 1080 per 1920. It's like 16 per 9, right? And I'll create a simple template here to show you how I usually do this. Okay, first thing I will create something very simple just to show you guys. Okay, so I create a background, a black background. I'm changing my text color to white. It's okay. And so there I will write down new post. Change the space between text. Okay. Increase the size. I think it is good. Right. I will just make this. Right. So that's it. Alright, I create this template. Then I will save it. So it's PNG. I always save my files as PNG, or if you want, you can save as .png. Okay, so 10. Okay, then I will open this. Here it is. Then I will create another layer and put it back. Okay, then I will get my eraser and I will write in the center of the image. Okay, and that's it. As you can see, the background is transparent, right? So make sure that there is nothing in the back of this layer right here. Okay, then we can save as export, save for web. Make sure it's PNG24, and save again. Template, save as PNG. You can replace because I doesn't matter. Okay. Alright, and that's it. And what you can do is to send this file to your cell phone. I usually do like this: file, share, my cell phone's turn it on. It's unlocked here in my desk, so I click airdrop. I wait to the here in here, then I click name and send to my phone, right? So that's it. This is the first part. Well, the second part I will do here on my cell phone, right? So you go to Instagram, open the photo that you want to share on Instagram stories. Okay, in this case I will choose this one, then I will click this icon to share that post to your story. Okay, perfect. Then I'll come back to my photos. I will select the file that I send to my phone, click copy photo. After that I will come back to my Instagram and click on the screen and click the option paste. Okay. And your image will be pasted here in the Instagram stores. Then you adjust as you want and click in the image through the hole in the middle of the screen and bring your post to front. Okay, and that's it. Perfect. And you can post and it looks nice. Thank you guys.